Okay, hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Hui Xiang from Dataiku. Today I'll be talking about how you can scale AI easily in your organization. So just a quick introduction about myself before I go into the content. I used to come from the public sector as well. And then I got interested in the digital marketing realm. And this is why I left and I joined a media agency. And then currently now I'm at Dataiku. So in my current capacity as a senior data scientist, I coach and train users who are using Dataiku, okay, to scale AI easily within their organization and also to equip them with the necessary ML ops knowledge. So if you're interested in my career journey as well, you can feel free to connect with me offline and we can chat further about different areas relating to public sector, relating to the use of data science and AI in public sector or in the marketing area. Okay. So for people who are just finding out about data science, trying to enter the data science space, it can be a bit overwhelming because there's just so many software and solutions out there. It's like how do I get started? Do I need to know everything that's listed? If I want to do data visualization, what kind of tools do I need? If I want to do a data science project, what kind of tools do I need to get used to? And different organizations, they actually have different tool stack as well. So it really depends on where you are starting out from. And also, again, there is no one right way to get started. So all along, for me, it depends on the use case of the organization. So if they are focused on data visualization, then probably you want to focus something on in that area, what are some of the solutions out there that are more established. And then also, if you are trying to do ML ops, okay, then there's also suitable software in that area. So these are the things that probably you want to check out and also to learn more about how to use them in your work, okay, to enable you to do better at your job. Okay. So what actually is Dataiku? Okay, it is actually a ML ops platform where you can do a data science project end-to-end on it. So from data ingestion, okay, you have many connectors, okay, that you can connect onto the platform, okay, pulling data from different data sources. And then you can do all your data cleaning, data preparation, data visualization, and then you can do your modeling, okay, and you can do your deployment as well, all the way to monitoring of your model performance, okay, all using Dataiku. And the thing is that at Dataiku, we try to lower the barriers of entries, okay, for new users. So it has a point-and-click interface as well. And also, if you are a coder, okay, there are also Python and also SQL and R notebooks that you can use, okay, on the platform itself. So again, it caters to different profiles, okay, different avatars, be it whether you are an analytics leader or data scientist or data engineer or business analyst. Everyone can work together on this single platform. Okay, yeah. So again, maybe to you, this might be a platform that is suitable for your organization, okay, to do AI, to do ML ops kind of project. Okay, but ultimately, the fundamental challenge, okay, to scaling AI, to enabling everyday AI at your organization is not just the software. So we hear a lot of stories about, that I have the tool, I have bought certain software, to do certain things that I want. But then ultimately, I still couldn't get the model deployed, I have done this, it became an academic exercise, so, or rather you have bought this, but you can't really get to use it yet because there's just so many other barriers to getting started. Okay, so these are some of the common challenges that a lot of organizations face, which basically you have to eliminate them first before you can actually start working on enabling everyday AI at your organization. Okay, so the first thing first is siloed data. So as you know, you can have many different departments or teams, okay, collecting data. And they are all stored in different places. Okay, you have maybe different databases. You have Hive, you have SQL, you have Snowflake. Again, like so many solutions that you have bought. Okay, to do maybe like the same thing or they're slightly different. Okay, across different teams. Okay, so what you need is actually to bring all the data together. Okay, so again, like this is something that Dataiku can help with. You can bring data from different data sources, okay, all together at a single platform, okay, without having to work with multiple platforms at the same time. Okay, and then also the other challenge that you need to overcome is that you have people working, with different needs, okay, like they have different priorities. Okay, so everybody need to come together, yeah, and also not everyone have the skill set that is necessary to do the entire AI project end to end. Okay, so you need like data engineers, you need business analysts, you need your business leaders, okay, stakeholders to come together, business analysts, okay, everyone to come together to work as a team, okay, to ensure that everyone has their own needs and priorities met first to ensure everyone is on the same page, okay, before you actually start an AI project, okay. And also, of course, you have many siloed processes that you need to eliminate as well. So, yeah. You have IT with a certain kind of policy process. Okay, you have your business leaders as certain kind of SOPs. So again, like everyone needs to be aligned. Okay, like and also in order to roll out a model into deployment, you need to know how eventually the model can be embedded in your processes. Okay, so for example, yeah, you have already ensure that okay your model performance is it meets your requirements. Okay, then when you deploy it, how are you going to put it in your system? Like do you want to do batch scoring? Do you want to do real-time scoring? All these need to be thought of first. Okay, at the start before you actually embark on building your entire AI project. Okay. So I don't know if like this situation might be familiar to you at your current workplace. Yeah, basically, you can see that there are many gaps and also many requirements from different profiles, okay, from different stakeholders. So, like, yeah, these are some of the questions that they might have, and also we want to make sure that we have the answers to these questions first before we do any AI project. Okay, so this can be in the form of like governance documentation. Okay, so like. Yeah, as you can see, like for ML engineer, they will be concerned about whether the model is robust and responsible. Okay, so like all these policies need to be set out in places. How you, so this is part of like a ML ops process as well. You have to establish, okay, what is the benchmark that meets the threshold in order to go into deployment. Okay, and then if it falls below say a certain percentage of accuracy or precision, those kind of stuff, okay, then it requires some form of retraining, okay, and then that's when you can automate the process to do the retraining, or how do you want to do the retraining. This is something that needs to be thought out as well, okay, yeah. And also, like for example, for a risk manager, he will be concerned on whether the model is safe and compliant to the policy. So in certain industries, like there are regulations and also like audit requirements that needs to be met. So all these needs to be taken into account as well, that whenever you deploy your AI model, okay, they are able to comply with these policies and regulations. Okay, yeah, and then for IT ops, they will be concerned about how they can monitor the model and check for improvement. So again, like there needs to be some form of alerting or automation, like say reporting-wise. Okay, every time the model gets deployed, yeah, what is the performance like when it's live? There needs to be a feedback loop that goes back to the IT operations. Okay, yeah. So these again are like just some examples that we go through with our customers, like some of the concerns that they have, and then again, like we help them think about these questions first before they start on their AI journey. Okay. So ultimately, what we hope to achieve at the end, okay, or rather what organizations should have will be something like that, a very smooth ML ops process, okay, whereby in each phase, like the prepare, build, deploy, and monitor phase, okay, everyone is involved, all the stakeholders are involved, so it's like a seamless process from data discovery to data preparation, okay, like that there is a governance behind this, and then, yeah, everyone is informed, okay, at each stage, okay, and also there is like approval process as well, you know, where there needs to be proper model sign off, okay, so there needs to be somebody who needs to be accountable, okay, for the model. So you probably like, have heard in the industry like who should be accountable for the for AI for data science that models that are built, you know, like to make sure that there is integrity and also that there is fairness behind all these models. So these are the considerations that the stakeholders need to be need to be involved in. Okay. So in terms of how you can achieve the ideal state that was mentioned just now, okay, these are some of the key ingredients, okay. So as the previous speaker mentioned, okay, you need to have data governance. So what is the next step, you know, after data governance to be able to have AI at your workplace or to actually deploy AI models, okay, is that you need to have this additional layer of machine learning model management and also responsible AI governance. Okay, so like what we talk about responsible AI governance is really related to fairness, okay, of the model, okay, like and also ensuring that the models are transparent, like you know that certain profiles, you know, are not being left out in the modeling prediction, okay, and the performance is homogeneous across like different populations, okay. So this is what we mean by responsible AI, yeah. And a lot of times, like in order to enable everyday AI at your workplace, you will need top-down management support. Okay, I think this is something that is that is not debatable. Okay, like you definitely need the management to support. Yeah, if not, it's very hard to push whatever projects that you are trying to do at work. Yeah. And then, of course, other than top-down, you need bottom-up as well, whereby you have all the staff involved, okay, to be able to act upon what the top-down management have in mind, okay, in terms of the goals and strategies, okay, the focus areas, okay, how to use AI to solve the business problems at work, yeah, okay, and what we at Dataiku usually help organizations with is also in terms of training, okay, enabling users to be better at data science, okay. So there are many algorithms out there, you know, like what kind of models should be used for prediction or classification, you know, supervised, unsupervised learning, image recognition, NLP, you know, there's just so many things. So for different use case, we have expertise, okay, relating to how we develop these solutions for different industries as well. So we have a team behind us, yeah, and this is how we support our users, okay, through enablement, okay, training. Okay, and of course, we need to ensure that they have proper data quality as well. So in Dataiku, our platform allows users to check for data quality and also to flag, you know, you are able to look at, say, percentage validity, percentage missing kind of stuff easily at one go. So you are able to assess your data quality before you start on any data science project. Okay, and of course, like in terms of model management, we have all the performance of your models recorded like in the UI, so you can look at it in one page. It's one single page, yeah, and then it allows you to be able to choose, you know, which model is appropriate for your use case quickly, yeah. And we also have in terms of our output from the model performance, okay, where you are able to look at the model fairness. So we have a criteria as well. You are able to assess the data drift, okay, how your data has changed across time and stuff, and then you can re-evaluate your model. Yeah. So yeah, this is how we at Dataiku can help our customers work on their AI strategy together. Yeah. Okay, so we have actually a lot of free resources as well on our website, dataiku.com, and we have like this free ebook, okay, which you can download if you are interested in ML Ops. Okay, so you can just scan the QR code and then, yeah, it's over a few hundred pages where you can understand the different processes behind ML Ops. Okay, what considerations are there when it comes to ML Ops. Okay, and this is actually the mission of our company, our organization, Dataiku, which is to help companies achieve everyday AI at their workplace. Yep. So feel free to connect with me after the talk if you have further questions. Yeah, or you can feel free to connect me on LinkedIn and you can chat further. Yep. Thank you, everyone.